Samla Prisca Pingrup Kalasha Ajit ban mi khamat yakari India haka Iakhun World Paralympic Arm Wrestling Championship kaban long hari Moldova hadoba Europe mingi ha unai lar minta usnem haka khat lai trik unai tung karai laban sports social and cultural organization kalapin Khuborjylla Henry ngut kisamla yele kai nakal lengjela kibadan jing thut haki dekhotmen kibalawan ra buram yaladi yela ka yeng kasam bat yakajela nakilimpung yakop ba pher hakari uba sanbor shulai u MLA ka South Shillong ulalong ukongsan hakani kasngi pin Khuborjylla yakini kisamla Ulaya ro ya ka Samla Prisca Pingrup kabalasha ajit ban le Iakhun ya ka World Arm Wrestling Championship kaban long ha Moldova ha unaila but ulakit bokit ruang bakan poi sha ka thong jingjap ban wan ra ya ka nam na ka binta ka jilla ba ya ka rihi baro kawe uba sanbor ulapin kham baikit bok shilak tingka ya ka Samla Prisca Pingrup ban yarap ya ki jinglut jingsep jongka kat baya ki wei pat kisan ngut lapen khamar arpo hajar kum ka jingerap yaki
from a very poor family, but the message will go that though they are blessed by the Almighty God in the form of disability, but still they manage to they managed to pass out in very well. They are sincere. They are very sincere, hard work, dedicated in studies and also in sports. But the message will go. We have experienced, we have seen only in my constituency and in the part of our states that there are students who are normal, who hail from the rich family, going to school by own transportation, coming from school by their own transportation, having extra tuition, paying full-fare maths teacher or science teacher or extra expenditure they are paying to do the extra tuition. But still, they could not success in their stories because they are not sincere. And this is the message that why, if our young students, they can do it, they can, they are trying their best, they are sincere, they work hard, and they are very successful, both into education, sports, and other activities. Why not us? This is the message. So today we felicitate them, and very clear, I'm going to inform to each and every one of you that today the financial assistance, because one of the students, Miss Prisca of Bethany Society, just recently, she have, all of them, they have secured gold medal, bronze medal, silver medal in the national game, in the state games, national games. I'm very happy to inform you that Miss Prisca has been selected to represent our Meghalaya state at Slonova, Europe country, which the program which will be the competition will be held in the month of August. She'll be leaving, I think, by 14th of August, representing us. And since we don't have any source, so from my 1 month MLA salary earning, because as you are all aware that all 60 MLA of Meghalaya, we are getting 2,03,000 per month. 2,03,000 per month, and 1 month salary I have sponsored 1 lakh for Prisca Pungro for her transportation and other expenses to travel till Europe to participate in the arm wrestling, para-arm wrestling on behalf of each and every one of us. And also 20,000 each for the remaining 5 students who will be participating in the national game very soon and who have all duly received the medals in various arm wrestling competition in every part of India. So with these few words, I will not lengthy my speech because I think everybody are busy. Saturday, I will also be attending some more programs in the evening. So with these few words, so I would like to
check of rupees 20,000. Please give him a huge round of applause once again. Mr. Samla, you're requested to be here to get a group photograph. India as an athlete in the upcoming World Arm Wrestling Championship 2024, which is to be held in Moldova, Europe. Hosted by the Moldovan National Sport Federation of Khuborjylla, has extended final support to Prisca. Let us all warmly welcome Prisca to the stage to felicitate her for her incredible accomplishments. Please join me in giving her a huge round of applause. She is now receiving a check of rupees 1 lakh from our honorable MLA. Ms. Prisca, we are very proud of you. Please give her a huge round of applause. She is receiving a check of 20,000 rupees. Please give her a huge round of applause. May God bless you, Nagpur. Her outstanding performance in these championships highlights her incredible dedication, strength, and perseverance amidst challenges. Isilda, we are very proud of you. Please give her a huge round of applause. She is now receiving a check of rupees 20,000 rupees. She is now receiving a check of rupees 20,000 rupees. Her parents are on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause as well. Your achievement. Please give Mr. Novanius a huge round of applause. Carry forward the spirit of determination and resilience that we have witnessed today within each one of us. Let their stories inspire us to break barriers, defy odds, and strive for excellence in every endeavor. Together, let's continue to support and uplift one another in the paths